Hi, good afternoon. This is Manjunath. Let's start this session. The topic is the quadratic equation. In that, up to fifth problem I have done. Next sixth one is that these are all the old problems. Okay. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So, the rectangle, this is diagonal. Okay. This is length, and this is breadth. What they have given, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side, and if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So if you take L as h, or no, breadth as h, length will become, if longer side is 30 meters more, 30 meters more means L will become h plus 30. Then diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. This is shorter side, this is bigger side. This is length and this is breadth. So shorter side is sides more than 60 means h plus 60. H plus 60. So this this rectangle will become here in the form of length and breadth and the diagonal. So one formula you have to remember, because it is 90 degrees. So for this Pythagoras theorem is A, B, C, D. If you take this one as label, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, because the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So it will become h plus 60 whole square is equal to h square plus h plus 30 whole square. So if a plus b whole square, so if so h plus 60 whole square, so h square plus 2 into x into 60 is 120 plus 60 square is 3600. This will become x square, this is x square plus 2 into 30 is 60x plus 900. So here this x square will get cancelled. So remaining is x square plus 60x. So keep it in the positive sign, x square. So bring this one 120 this side. So 60 minus 120 is minus 60x, and this one 3600, 900. But it will come this side means it will become minus 3600. So difference of the 3600 and 900 is 2700. But negative sign is greater, so you take minus 2700 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic formula. Then you have to take the roots for this one. So 270, 2700, this can be split as 9 3s are 27. So 90 into 30. So 90 into 30 is 2700, and 90 30 difference is 60. So x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So this will become x minus 90 plus 30 x minus 90 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 90 is equal to 0 and x plus 30 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 90 and x is equal to minus 30. So what we have taken x as breadth. So the breadth of the breadth value is x is minus 30 will not become, because it is neglected, because it is negative value. The breadth of the rectangle will not be in negative value. So you can take x as 90. This is 90. So breadth 90. Breadth is 90. Then length, they given s plus 30. So s plus 30 is equal to 90 plus 30 is equal to 120. This is 120, because 90 is there, 90 plus 30 is 120, and diagonal is x plus 60 is there. So diagonal is equal to x plus 60, that will become 90 plus 60 is equal to 150. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then they given s plus 60, so s plus 60 whole square is equal to this one x, this one is x square, then x plus 30 whole square. Then you form the quadratic equation, and roots you have to solve. Then you will get to one negative value and positive value. So you have to take the positive value. Negative value is neglected because it is in the form of breadth of rectangle. So next length and then diagonal. Next one. seventh one. The difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Okay, the difference of the squares of two numbers. So you take any two numbers as x and y. So let two numbers will be x and y. What they given first condition? The difference of the squares. The difference of the squares. The difference of the squares is equal to 180. 180. Then they given the square of the smaller number. So I will take here this is smaller number x y as smaller number and x as larger number. So the second condition they given the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Square of this larger number. So y square is 8 times the larger number. Larger number is x. So 8x. So what we have to find? You have to find the two numbers. We have to find the two numbers. So y square is equal to 8x. Then if we can, this is as one first equation and this is as second equation. So put the value of y square is equal to 8x in the second one, first equation. So x square minus y square is nothing but minus 8x. This will come this side. So minus 180 is equal to 0. Then it is in the form of x only. So you should find the roots for this one. 180 is there. 180. Y square is equal to 8x. So you will put the y square is equal to 8x in the first equation. X square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Then if you split this one, 90 into 2, 180. So next minus 8x minus 180. So I have taken the number as 180 is quotient of x square is nothing. So 180. So if you split 180 as 18 into 10, 18 into 10. So 18 into 10 is 180, 18 minus 10 is 8. So x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. Then if you take x common, x minus 18 and plus 10 you take common, x minus 18 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 18, x is equal to minus 10. So it is the number is there x is equal to 18 and x is equal to minus 10. Put this value in the we have to find x is equal to 18 came. So from this it is negligible, small number, negative number. So you have to take x equal to 18. Put x equal to 18 in the second equation. It will become y square is equal to 8 into 18. That is 18 is a 144. Therefore y is equal to plus or minus root of 144. It will become plus or minus 12. So the value of the first number is 18 and second number will be 12 and another one also form y is equal to minus 12 is there. So x is equal to again 18 and y is equal to minus 12. If you see that x square is 18 square. 18 square is 324 minus 12 square 144. It will give you 180. So because minus 12 square is 144, and this one is the 18 square 324. It will give 180. Difference of that will give. So both here plus or minus two numbers came, plus or minus 12, because it is in the square form. So y is equal to plus or minus 12, and 18 is common. X is equal to 18 and 12, and y is equal to minus 12, and x is equal to 18. Next one. Next one is based on the train problem. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So first condition, a problem. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. So uniform means same speed, okay? If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So if you take this one distance as 360, so what that you have to find out the speed. So speed is equal to distance by time. So you take here, let x be the speed of the train, So if you take x, and they given second condition 5 km per hour more, that is x plus 5. 5 km more means x plus 5. So speed of the second is x plus 5. Then time difference they given as 1 hour less. So difference here is 1 hour less. So if you take 360 by x, because timing they given, this one time will become distance by speed. So time is equal to distance is 360 divided by s is speed of train is first speed is x. Then it will become s plus 5. So 360 s plus 5. This difference they given as 1. The time required for the train to go 360 km in speed x and speed s plus 5 is difference is 1. So then you have to take the third equation. So here x and s plus 5 is variable. So the LCM will be x into s plus 5. X into x plus 5. Here 360 is there. So x is there means you have to write x plus 5. So 360 x plus 5. Then minus is there, minus. Why minus means because they give difference in the value. So I have taken difference of that speed train and time as 1 hour. So x plus 5. This will s plus 5 there, so remains x. 360 into x is 360 x is equal to 1. So this one will come this side. So 360 x plus 360 into 5 minus 360 x is equal to x square plus 5x. So here plus 360x and minus 3x. This will get cancelled. Remaining is x into s plus 5. So it will become x square plus 5x. This one x square plus 5x. This is positive there. So this side will bring means 360 into 5. 360 into 5 is 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 0, 3 carry, 5 is 15, 1800. So 1800 is equal to 0. This is in the quadratic equation. So if you solve these rules, so you have to 1800. So take 5, 5 these are 15, 30 means 6, then 0. Then again you take 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are. Then you take 9, 9 8s are 72. Then 8, 1. So if you split this one, 9 5s are 45, and 5 into 8 is 40. So we want the difference should be in the plus 5x, and the total value will be in the 1800. So x square plus 8 x plus 5, 3 into x plus 5, 3x plus 5 into minus 360x. This will become 325 this way, x square plus 5x. This is x plus 5, okay, square plus 5x. Okay. This is minus 800, no? Okay. This is plus 800, this one becomes minus 800. So we want difference. So you split this one 1800 in the form of 5. So 5 is 15. Then 3 remains, 30 means 6, 5 is 30, 5 zeros are 0. Then 5, 5 7 is 35, 1 0, so 5 2 is 10. 9 8 is 8 1 is. So here we have to make this difference as 5. So 5 into 5 25, but 9 into 8 is 72, not coming. If you take this 2, 9 into 5 is 45, 5 into 8 is 40. So 45 and 40 difference is 5. So plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Then if you split this one, x common, x plus 45 is equal to minus 40 x plus 45. It will become x equal to 40 and x equal to minus 45. The speed will not be in the negative sign, so the speed will be 40 km per hour. Speed is equal to 40 km per hour. Then they given what they ask. They ask the speed of the train. So the speed of the train is 40 km per hour. Then next one. Next one. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 it is a 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So first they given the two water taps together can fill a tank in 8 hours. So if you open the two taps, then that is the one they given larger and the other one the smaller diameter. So if you start at a point and it will be fill the tank in 3 by 8 hours. The tap of a larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. So if smaller one takes 20 hours, the tap of the larger diameter will take 10 hours less, means 10 hours 20 minus 10, that is 10. So find the time in which tap can separately fill the tank. So for this one, ninth one, two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 hours. So two taps, 3 by 8. So it will become 9 into 8 is 72, 72 by, this is plus 3, 75 by 8. So it is in the 75 by 8 hours. Two taps can fill the whole tank in 75 by 8 hours. If you take in 1 hour, it will become, it can fill the tank will 1 by 75 by 8. This will become 8 will go upside, it will become 8 by 75 hours. So in 1 hour it will complete the tank full in 8 by 75 hours. Then they given smaller tap and larger diameter tap is timing is 10 hours less. So if you take smaller diameter tap, so is equal to x, then larger tap is in x hours. If you take in 1 hour, it will become 1 by x. Again in larger tap, x minus 10 It is completing the whole tank full in h minus 10. But if you take the in 1 hour, it will become 1 minus h minus 10. Then both means you have to add, and that will take in the time 75 by 8. So it will be 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to, in 1 hour, 8 by 75. 8 by 75. Then x is there, x minus 10 is there, so it will become x square. So if you take the LCM for this, it will become x into x minus 10. So x is there, so x minus 10 will be remained, plus is there, plus x minus 10 is there, plus x, so 8 by 75. So next step, x plus x is 2x, 2x minus 10 divided by x square minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. Then if you take this one into, it will become 150x, because cross multiplication, 75 into 2 is 150, 150x minus 75 into 10 is 750 is equal to this one, 8x square minus 80x. So you have to keep x square in the positive sign. So if you take 8x square minus this one 80 is there, this one it will come means minus 80 plus minus 80 and 150 means it will become minus 230x. This one plus 150 is there, plus 750. 75 into 2 is 150x, 75 into 10 is minus 150, 8 into x square, 8x square, 8 into minus 10 is minus 8x. This one 8x square minus 80x minus means minus 230x, so 150 is equal to 0. Then if you take 8 to the 16, 2 you take common, divide by 2, 4x square minus 2115x plus 2 3s are 6, 115 2 7s are 375 is equal to 0. Means I have divided the whole by 2 because all are even numbers. So I divided by 2. So remaining is 4x square minus 115x plus 325 is equal to 0. Then we cannot take the division rule. Then we take the roots. Who means 375 into 5, 375 into 4. It will become 4 5 are 20, 2 carry, 4 6 are 28 plus 2 30, 3 carry, 4 this are 12. So total 1500. So the total value should be 1500 and the difference should be in the 115. For therefore 1500 is there, so minus is there, so minus 2 signs will come. So 1500, if you take this one 1500, so 10 you take, 10 ones are 10, 55, 50 is 5, then again you take 10, 15, 15, 1. So yes, see, 10 into 10 is 100 and 15. So 100 into 15 is 115. So you can take directly the roots as 4x square minus 150 is there. So you take 100x minus 15x. So it will become 115. 100 into 15 is 1500 plus 375 is equal to 0. Then you take 4 common here. 4x common, x minus 25, this one minus 15 common, x minus 25. So 4x minus 15 is equal to 0, 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. Then in another one, x minus 25 is equal to 0. So x will become here 15 by 4 or x will become 25. So x will become 25. See here, this will become approximately 4. But if you take this one 4, x is 4, it is taking that one smaller tab, larger tab taking 10 or less. 4 minus 10 it will become minus 10. So you should neglect this number and you have to take x equal to 25. This is x is equal to 25. That is, it is filling the tank of the smaller tab. It takes 25 hours. Smaller tab. X you have taken no, because 1 by x. one batch is smaller tap. So smaller tap will fill the tank completely in 25 hours. They gave one larger tap in h minus 10 hours. Means h is 25. H minus 10 means 25 minus 10. This is equal to 15 hours. So it will take 15 hours for completing the whole tank fully by larger tap and smaller tap by 25 hours. Then next one, 10th one. What they given. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at the intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the train. So for this you have to find the speed of the train. Like that they given no which one problem? 8th one. Like that only you have to take. They taken here 1 hour less. And the here also same 1 hour less. So the total distance is 132. The total distance is 132. D is equal to 132 kilometer. So time is equal to distance by speed. But we don't know speed. We have to find out speed. So we know the time difference. So this is 132 kilometer. So time is equal to distance is 130 kilometer. If you take speed as x of the passenger train, that is x equal to speed of the passenger train. They given one condition, that is the average speed of the express train. Express train is 11 km per hour more. So speed of express train is x plus 11. X plus 11. So the speed of the passenger train is x km per hour and the speed of the express train is x plus 11 km per hour. So time will become distance by speed. Distance by speed is this one. Then this is one T1 and this is T2. T2 means express train. So 132 divided by speed is x plus 11 km hour. So this is the time. This time they given as takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. So 1 hour less means T1 minus T2 is equal to 1. So therefore here T1 minus T2 is equal to 1. So T1 is nothing but 132 by x. 132 by x minus T2 is 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. Same as this side. Here system LCM taken now. So variables are there. So directly take the LCM. It will become x into x plus 11. This one upside x is there, so it will become x plus 11. So 132 into x is 132x plus 11 into 132. Then minus 132 x plus 1 is there. So 132x. 132x is equal to 1. So here 132 minus is there. So minus 132x. So this will get cancelled. The remaining is 11 into 32. This one x. So it will become downside x square plus 11x is equal to this one will come. This side it will become 11 into 132. So 11 2s are 22. 2 carry 11 3s are 33 plus 2 35. 3 carry 11 is 11 14 52. So x square plus 11x. Cross multiplication 1 is there, so taken the direct value x square plus 11. Here cancel the 132x and minus 132x. Then 11 to 132 is 1452. So if you take this side, it will become x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. This is in the quadratic form. Then you have to solve the roots. How means 1452. 1452. So if you split this one, you take 11. If you take 11, it will going. So it will go 11 you take, because here 11 is there, so I will take 11 only. 11 is 11, 35, 11 3 is 33, 2, 22. 11 is, again you take 11, 11 is 11, 22 is 2, 11. So the difference should become 11. Here 12 into 11. Okay, the difference should be 11. So 11 into 132, 11. So 11 into 12. Then 4 you can 4 3 is then 3 you can take 3. So 11 into 11 into 4 into 3, the difference should be 11. So if you take 11 is 121. 121 into 12 means it will be difference not coming 11. So if you take 11 into 4, this one into 44, 11 into 33, then it will come 11. So x square plus 11 into 4 is 44x minus 11 into 3 is 33x minus 1452 is equal to 0. This is factorization method. Why I have taken 11 means because the value of x in the form of 11, 11. So I have taken 11. 11 as 11 is 11, 3 is 11, 2 is then 11 is 11, 2 is then you taken 4 or 3. 4 is all 3 into 3. So 11 to 44 is 4 is 44. 11 into 3 is 33. So therefore this one x square plus 44x minus 33x is equal to 1452. Then you split this one, x is equal to x plus 44 minus 33 x minus sign is there. So here is minus sign. We have to make minus means you have to take plus x plus 44. Then speed of the passenger train. One will become minus 44 and one will become 33. So here we got the two values, x is equal to minus 44 and x is equal to 33, but speed will be always in the positive sign. So x is equal to 33 km per hour. Then they given speed of the express train speed. Express train speed is equal to, they given s plus 11. S plus 11. So h is 33. 33 plus 11 is 44. 44 km per hour. So the speed of the passenger train is 33 and the speed of the express train is 44 km per hour. Then last one of the word problems. Only you have to take, if you know the tables, then only the factorization will become easy for you. Then last one is, sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. For this, you know the rules of general formulas of the squares. So if you take square, all side will be same. This is A means A. This is square. Then the given sum of the areas of two squares. If you take one of the square, area of the square, no, area of square 1 as x and area of another square as y. So one of the area of square is x and one of the area of another square is y. Then they given the sum of the areas of two squares. Two squares means these two squares, x square plus another square is y square. This is they given as 468 meter per second, 468 meter square. So this will is x square is area of one square and area of the another square is y. They given sum of the squares. So squares means x square plus y square is equal to 468. Then difference of their perimeters. Difference of perimeters means here x you taken as side, area of so area of will become x square and area of another square will become y square. So if you take area of square as x, so you take base as the x only, x, and this is also x. So side of the square I have taken s, so it will become area of square x square and another square y I have taken. Same side we will get the other square as y. So it will become y square. Area of another square is y square. The sum of the area of the squares is x square plus y square is equal to 468. And one more condition given, if the difference of their perimeters. So perimeter of the square is equal to 4x. Perimeter means all side addition. So 4x. This difference 4x minus 4y is equal to, they are given as 24 meter. So difference of the square of the two is 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. If you take 4 common here, it will become x minus y. 4 here, 4 6 are. So 6 x minus y will become 6. So if you take x is equal to y, this side means y plus 6. So you will get the x equal to y plus 6. This is first equation. Put the x equal to y plus 6 in the first equation. So x square is nothing but y plus 6. So x square in term of x square, x I will put y plus 6 whole square plus y square is equal to 468. Then split this one, y square plus 36 plus 2 into 6 is 12y plus y square is equal to 468. So y square and y square will become 2y square plus 12y. This is plus 36, this is minus 468. If it comes this side means it will be remain 8 minus 6 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3 and 4. 432 is equal to 0. So y square plus y square is 2y square and plus 12y minus 36 there. This one will become this side. So minus 468 plus 36 differential is 432 and negative sign is greater. So I have taken minus 432. Then you have to divide by 2. Y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. 2 2 are 4, 2 ones are 2, 12, 216. So y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. Then 216 you have to take factors. So if you take 3, 3 sevens are 3. Again 3 twos are 3 fours are. Then if you take here again you can take 3 eights are, then 4 twos are, then 2 ones are. So 2 string it is split as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 4 and 2. So if you take the difference will become 6. If you take this 3, it will become 3 3 9 3 27. 27 into 8, it will not become 6. If you take 3 into 3, 9 2s are 18 and this one 3 4s are. So 9 into 12. So 9 into 2 is 18 and 3 into 3, 9 2s are 18, 18 and 12. 18 and 12 difference is 6. So y square plus 18y minus 12y minus 216 is equal to 0. So first I taken 3 tables. So 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. Then 3 2s are 6, 1 12, 3 4s are 12. Then 3 8s are 4. You take 4 2s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Factor do the factor as we the difference should become 6. If I do 3 3s are 9, then 3s are 27. 27 into 8, it will not become. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 18 into 12 is 6. So 18 into 12 is 216 and 18 into 12 difference is 6. Then you take y for common. So y plus 18 minus 12. Already minus is there. So to make minus, you have to take plus y plus 18. So y minus 12 is equal to 0. Y is equal to y plus 18 means y plus 18 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 12. Then y is equal to minus 18. So what they ask, area of the square is x square and area from the square is y square. Then what they ask you to find the sides of the two squares. So you have to find out the x and y value. So this is negligible because the side of the square will be always in positive sign. So y is equal to 12. So if you put this one, y is equal to 12, x minus y is equal to 6 is there. If you take y is equal to 12, it will become this side. So x is equal to 12 plus 6 is 18. So 18 meter. This is 18 meter and this is 12 meter. So the side of the square of the two sides is One is 12 meter and another one is 18 meter. So you should practice the tables for this factorization. So for this also, if you know the tables, then only it will come in the factorization form. Because why I have taken 11 means it is 11x is there. So I have taken in form of 11 because 11 table it will go. So 11 then 11 it will remain in one number. So you take 4 and 3. Like that, this also 216 is there. So you have to split the terms as if the difference should be in 6 5. Or you can do in the quadratic formula also, that is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, but it takes a long step. So this step is easy. You only have to factorize the that value of the product number. So this completes the 10.3 exercise of that quadratic equation. Then next topic is nature of foods. Then I will take that one in the next class. These are the word problems. Some it will seem like difficult, but when you practice it, it will become easy. So find accurately the values and do the. So today for its so this is enough for today. Then thank you. Meet you in the next session.